When introducing solid foods to a 6-month-old baby, it's important to start with simple, nutrient-rich foods that are easy to digest. Here are 5 recommended foods. 1. Rice cereal. Rice cereal is a common first food for babies. It is easy to digest and a good source of iron. Start with a thin consistency and gradually thicken it as your baby gets used to eating solids. 2. Pured fruits. Soft, ripe fruits like bananas, apples, pears, and avocados can be pured and introduced to your baby. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 3. Pured vegetables. Steamed or boiled vegetables such as sweet potatoes, carrots, peas, and squash can be pured or mashed. These vegetables offer valuable nutrients and introduce your baby to different flavors and textures. 4. Oatmeal. Cooked and mashed oatmeal is another great option. It provides fiber, vitamins, and minerals. You can mix it with breast milk or formula to enhance the flavor. 5. Yogurt. Plain, unsweetened whole milk yogurt is a good source of protein and calcium. Ensure that it doesn't contain added sugars or artificial flavors. You can offer it as is or mix it with pured fruits for added taste. Remember, when introducing new foods, do it one at a time and watch for any signs of allergies or digestive issues. Always consult with your pediatrician for personalized recommendations based on your baby's needs and any specific dietary restrictions or allergies. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what videos you want to see next. Your support and feedback mean the world to us. See you in the next one. Take care.